Good morning, students. In the last class, we have done with the introduction to the project management features and the types of the project management. Now we will take the what are the benefits of the project management. Benefits of the project management means what we can achieve from the project management. Okay, so improving our chance of achieving the result. What we are aiming to do is improving our chance to achieve the results. Gain a fresh perspective on your projects. We should gain what we should do. Okay, set the scope, schedule and budget accurately from the start. We should set the scope and what we should do. We should be scheduled first only, and the budget also, how much money we should spend on the project. Okay, stay on schedule and keep the cost specified. Andre we should keep the schedule fixed. We should not change while executing, and the estimated amount should be kept constant. How much we have estimated. For example, we have a plan for 10 crores. We should not exceed from 10 crores. We should be below 10 crores. We should not exceed above 10 crore. Okay, improve productivity and quality of the work. You should improve the productivity in sense new equipments and new machineries, new technologies. Okay, and quality of the work. Understood? Now increase the customer satisfaction. Andre we should increase the customer satisfaction. Andre we should convince the customer, and we should do work like that itself. We should not do the work in between leaving. That all we should do. We should satisfy the customers. Okay, what are the obstacles come in the project management? First we'll see scope creep, lack of communication, lack of clear goals, budgeting issues, inadequate skills of team members, risk management, lack of accountability, limit of time and cost, deadlines of the project. Scope creep andre what are the scope you have given, there will be some changes in between. Okay, lack of communication in sense there will be a not good communication between the staff members and the coordinators, so there will be obstacles. Lack of clear goals, budgeting issues means the upper who will assure the money for the project there will be some financial problem in between. Inadequate skill of team members, there will be some skill laborers like they won't do work properly, there will be some issues in it. So inadequate skill of the team members. Risk management, there will be some risk in the work also, so that risk management. Lack of accountability, limit of time and cost, there will be customer has given the time and the cost also, so that should be done in the specified time and the cost. Deadlines of the guidelines, the deadlines in sense the project should be completed in the specified time. Okay, professions, what are the professions in the project management? We can see engineers, project manager. First are the engineers. Project manager in sense which project is handled by the project management. Consultants, general contractors, architects, business consultants, quality surveyor, design engineer, structural engineer, chartered accounts, investors, and lab technician. These are all the professionals who take the project management. Without engineers we can't do the projects. Without architecture we can't do the projects. Without consultants we can't do the projects. Design, we should have structural designer who will give the structure design. Lab technicians while he will test the soil cement, sand. What are the cubes we are doing? Cubes. See, a chartered accountant says to keep the accountability. We have seen here accountability, lack of accountability. We will keep that. Investors like big investors who give the money. See here, we can see here also lack of clear goals also. So these are all which professions we can see here. Engineers, project managers, consultants, general contractors, architecture, business consultants, quality surveyor, design engineers, structure engineers, CA, investors, and lab technicians. Okay, we have seen the benefits, obstacles, and the professions. Okay, so we have come with half of the one chapter. So next half will continue in the next class. In 2 classes I have completed the half of the chapter, and the other will complete in further classes. So write the notes all of you, and make one clean notes of it. Okay, thank you.